Welcome back to Surprisingly Geeky.
End of my thoughts.
On Devitt, and this is LunarDawn.
That's not good gaming. That's not good. We should finish that thought.
Well, we're finishing it now.
Well, now I gotta kind of. What if somebody, missed it?
Well, then they're gonna tune into the next episode to find out that what you were thinking about was
Diapers. Diapers can't get any better, no matter what kind of little patterns they put in the cotton or whatever it is that absorbs everything. It's not getting any better than when they first invented disposable diapers. And the other one is cat litter. Pretty much since they started using clay instead of sand, that's as good as it gets.
Well, what if they designed like a cat litter that destroys the poop and then becomes more cat litter?
What do people think about when someone says, yes, we've designed a new this or that specifically does this? In particular are like the Febreze commercials where it's like, oh, here's the bubble, and the bubble traps all the stink, and then the stink disappears. And then you're like, well, how does the bubble destroy the stink? And how did you engineer it to do that way? I don't think it works like that. I think they're just pulling shit out of their ass! That's right. I saved myself. Riveting conversation.
It's some of our best banter yet, I think.
I don't know. I think sometimes I think good things, but then I can't vocalize the thing that I'm thinking. It's painful. Look, I don't do good with thin walkways, okay? Get through this.
Let's do it together. You and me.
Forever. Is that a thingy? No, that's the button.
What's the button?
We're here.
Apparently you got press.
Right there in that locked garage. One tourist crashes a jet and wham! Lawsuit.
That lock is unlike any I have seen.
Very astute observation, Mr. Shiny. I can't open it either. I don't trust the tourist, and the board of directors don't trust me. So we have a little problem.
We have a little problem. I just want the O2 mask. So if you can't open up the lock, that's your problem. Now cough up the mask.
Well, I can see that you really wanted to fly our jet. So I'll tell you what. Go talk to Bob in his robo-chat. He knows about these locks.
That's all like, gimme. And why should anybody give you anything, Ratchet?
Well, he successfully guided him across the island like he asked him to do.
I guess. Ratchet's being a dick, though. Hi there, thin version of Al.
We go here. Hey, watch it. I recognize that work. Y'all been to Seattle, ain't you?
Yeah, he installed the helipack.
I can see that. I taught that idiot brother of mine everything he knows. Look, if you want some real hardware, I can fix this little
There's
fella
the
up
design
with
on
a
this shirt.
Ooh.
Will it help us get past that weird lock in the fighter garage?
Ah, you know about those gizmos, huh?
He looks more like an alien to me.
Well, I think it's supposed to be an alien, but it's got like the
right in.
It's a good
Do
thing
you
I
think
need
the
this
Karma
to get to
Incorporated
that
logo
jet, or you'd
looks
be
like
out
an
of
alien?
luck, pal.
well, I do now. I never used to, but now that I've seen that, how could you not?
Yeah, I'm definitely thinking it.
Well, there you are, little buddy. Better than new. That's right. I am the man.
Yeah, not bad.
Yay! Ooh. Oh my gosh, usually I can never do it.
Really?
Yes, it always takes me forever to figure it out. Very nice. Oh, there's a slip of the finger. Oh. Hi there, Shippy. That was a dance. Did you see that? There we go.
It's like a ballerina. It's like balancing on one toe.
Looks painful.
Press the square button to
Oh my god, what am I doing?
You're pressing the square button to fire a machine gun,
Ouch.
and pressing the circle button to fire something else. And then there was something on there but the X button,
Oh. This is kind of fun. This makes me think of those dog fights from...
Ratchet and Clank.
No, actually. From... Sly Cooper. I think the second one.
Oh, the one where there's like the guy, he's really short, and you think that he's gonna be like a human with like a giant mustache, but then it ends up being somebody else.
I honestly have no idea. Do I have a health bar?
I don't know, there's like a bunch of missiles on the left. So, maybe that kind of curvy thing on the bottom right?
That red part?
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't think I'm supposed to be killing all these things. I'm supposed to be going after these big things. Hey! Hey! That's not nice! I'm just flying the cargo around in circles. Like, we'll get there someday! Hey. Hey.
Well, he's definitely shooting at you a lot, so either you have no health bar, or you have an invisible health bar, or he doesn't hit you at all. It's hard to say.
Turning is slow. Oh, that is my health bar. Oh, but sometimes they give me health, I guess. I shoot them. Alright, that's that one.
Mission completed.
Immersion
First
completed.
try.
That shit-
First try.
There you go.
It's about time.
Alright.
So now what do we do with this thing?
Now I go back to that planet where I couldn't breathe.
Right.
I think that would actually be a good place to stop for tonight. Come back to it. Because I got to go to bed. Because I've got to work early tomorrow.
So, is that going to be the end of the stream? Or are we gonna...
No, I want to get back to my ship. How much time is left on the thing?
Well, apparently we got 2 minutes left in the episode.
Oh, well. Hold on, let me see what kind of money I got.
Not even
Nothing.
close.
Alright, that's a good place to stop. Getting my shit out of save. for that planet.
So, is that level done now?
I think so. Oops.
Explore as Ratchet.
I'm pretty sure it was one thing. Oh, check
Check
out the resort. Oh! Oh, okay, why do we do that? Wait, over here. Forgot about it.
This is a beautiful synchronized.
Thank you.
You can't use your trespasser underwater, can you?
I don't know.
So you gotta drain the water. There's nothing to drain with. Or maybe turn. Just go down.
Oh, here we go then. What's that? Like a bird making noise or the June bugs are coming out.
Alright, so that's another episode of Surprisingly Geeky. Are we gonna do another one?
No,
Alright.
I think we'll come back.
Alright, so that's the end of this session. We're gonna save it and come back later. Thanks for watching, anybody who is, and we'll see you later.
Bye!
Bye!